The price of 5 apples is the same as the price of 3 oranges. The price of 4 oranges is the same as the price of 10 bananas. How many apples are equivalent in price to 15 bananas? Okay, so let's set up the equation. So we have 5 apples. The price of 5 apples is the same as the price of 3 oranges. So first equation, we have 5 times, let the apple be A. So we have 5A is equal to the price of the 3 oranges. So we have 3 times oranges. Okay, so I will use X because it looks like 30. So let X be the number of oranges. Okay, so this will be our equation number 1. Then equation number 2, the price of 4 oranges. So we have 4 oranges. So we have 4x is equal to the same as the price of 10 bananas. So we have 10b. So this will be our equation number 2. How many apples are equivalent in price to 15 bananas? So we want to find an equation for apple to bananas. Okay, so to do that, we will express these oranges into bananas. Okay, so solve for x in equation number 2. So just divide both sides by 4. Okay, so therefore we have x is equal to 10b over 4. Just divide both of these by 2. So to reduce to lowest term, 10 divided by 2, we have 5. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then we have x is equal to 5 over 2b. And then let's substitute this. X is equal to 5 over 2b. Substitute this in equation number 1. Okay, so therefore we have 5a is equal to 3 times the value of x is 5 over 2, 5 over 2 times b. So we want to find how many apples are equivalent in price to 15 bananas. As you can see, if we multiply this 3 times 5 over 2b, we will get 15 over 2 times b. So we now have the 15b. Okay? So we have 5a is equal to 15 over 2 times b. So just multiply both sides of the equation by 2. So that we can cancel the 2. So we have 15b equals 2 times 5a, that is equal to 10a. So therefore, 15 bananas is equal to 10 apples. The correct answer is letter C. Follow me for more content like this.